Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will create a script to find out whether the number is positive or negative. Now we will be creating our program in Nano Editor. So I write Nano and I name the program as POSNEG, means positive negative number. And the extension of this file will be SH because I am doing shell scripting. So now we have entered into the Nano Editor. And as I have told you various times, that whenever you are in the any editor and when you are doing shell scripting, you will be writing hash, and then you will be writing this exclamation sign, and then you are providing the location where your bash is located. So it is inside the bin. Now after that, we use echo command to convey the user to enter the number. So here we are passing this instruction of entering the number, and then with the help of the read command, we are reading the number, and let's name the variable as num. Now we'll be using if structure for checking the condition. So if space, then square bracket, then again space, and then we use this variable num, but we have to precede it with this dollar symbol, and then after this with one space again you are writing GT. You have to find out whether your number is greater than, but this is a relational operator, and this will be valid only if you put a hyphen before this, right? And then after that one more space, and after that you are putting 0, and then after that one more space, and then you are putting this square bracket. So I repeat it again. So now see, you are writing if, and then with one space, then you are writing the square bracket, and then one space, and then you are writing the name of the variable, that is num, and the variable name should be preceded by dollar symbol, and then space, then GT represents greater than, and before that we have to use hyphen, and then with space I am writing 0 because with this I am comparing my number, and then space, again the ending square bracket. So what it is doing is, whatever number the user entering, this number is being compared with 0. If the number is greater than 0, then what we are going to print? We're going to say that the number is positive. So it is positive number. Otherwise, in else part, we are going to write echo, it is negative number, right? And in the end, this if will be closed by fi. So in this way, this structure is being created. So you have to just check whether the number is greater than 0, then positive number. If it is not greater than 0, then it is a negative number. Now to come out of this Nano Editor, we have to use this exit command. So for that, we have to press Control X on the keyboard, and then whether you want to save it, then you will write yes, and then you will just enter and come out of it. Now, as I've told you earlier also, if you want to run any program, then you will write dot, then / and the name of the program. So it is POSNEG.sh. So now it is saying that the permission is denied. So to grant the permission, we'll first of all see what is the long listing of this file, POSNEG.sh. And as you can see that there is no execute command given to any of the groups. So we will use chmod command, which is changing the permission here. So I am +X means it is adding execute permission to all the owners, right? All the groups. So now we will write the name of the file, that is POSNEG. So to this file, I am giving the permission of execute to all the groups. And again, if you write this, you can see that here also X is there. You have here also granted X, and here also X is there. So in all the groups, the execute permission is being granted. Now, if you try to once again run this file, As I've told you, this will be run by this. Now you can see that we can successfully execute it now. So it is asking to run the program, enter the number. So let's say I enter a positive number and I enter number 9. So it is a positive number, we know. So it is going to print that it is a positive number, right? But now let's enter a negative number also to check whether both the conditions are satisfied or not. So again, we have to run the program. And if I now enter a negative number, let's say I enter -7. And you can see that it shows that it is a negative number. In this way, we have created a shell script for a number to check whether it is positive or negative. So I hope you understood the concept. So in the coming lectures, we will be doing various other programs on if-else structure. And to learn more, stay tuned to my lecture. Thank you so much. Take care.